Alright, so every night is a challenge with this bird. This bird, something else. So, every time we go to sleep, we put her in a cage. So yeah, this is what happens. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. No, don't dig. No. Come on. Get over here. Come on. Yeah. Come here. No, come on. Come here. No. I'll go up underneath. Come here. It's time to go to bed. I know you don't want to go to bed. Come on. No, don't. No. Let go. Let go. No. Come on, baby. I gotta do this every night with you. And she knows she's about to go to. She's like wanting to. Come on. No. Come on. Don't bite me. Come here. No. Now she's fluffing out her wings. She wants to be a butthead. Wants to duck down and off in there and bite me. So, that's every night with you, bird. You bird.